Hey guys, it's John from Test Prep with another GMAT solution. So we got another official guide problem here. On a vacation, Rose exchanges $500 for euros. Okay, so let's see. So she gives $500 for euros at an exchange rate of 0.8 euro per dollar. And then she spent 3/4. And then she exchanged the remaining euros for dollars at an exchange rate of $1.20 per euro. Okay, so let's see, we got $500, right? And we're going to change that to euros. And we get 0.8 euro per dollar. So what we want is 500 times 0.8, but I'll just use 4/5. Calculating by hand, as we often do on the GMAT, is easier to do with fractions than with decimals. Decimals, usually I try and avoid them unless I'm comparing numbers, and mainly because of this nice little cross-cancellation stuff that often happens. So $400. And then she spends 3/4 of those, so that means she's got, what? It's not $400, it's euros. What is that? It's like a little, something like that? I have no idea. I'll just rate euros. There we go, 400 euros. And then she spends 3/4, right? So she spends 300. 300 euros. And she has 100 euros left. And now she's going to exchange those for dollars at $1.20 per euro. So we just have to do 100 times 1.2. So that's $120 is what she gets back after her vacation. So nothing super profound going on here. The only real takeaway I would say is that fractions are usually better than decimals for calculating by hand. Obviously, I kind of broke my own rule on this last step where I multiplied by 1.2. But since I'm multiplying by a power of 10, it's not really hard. I'm just moving the decimal a couple places, or however many zeros I have is how many places I'll move the decimal. As far as fraction decimal equivalents to know, I guess I'll go ahead and list out the ones I recommend. So 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, anything over 5, 1/6, and 5/6. The sevenths are kind of difficult. They have a weird pattern, which it's not too hard to learn, but I would still kind of stay away from it. 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8 are good. And then if you're feeling ambitious, I would say 1/20th, 1/25th, and 1/50th are good. If you're feeling super ambitious, n over 9 is not a hard pattern, and n over 11 is not a hard pattern either. I won't go into that here, but I'm sure you can find some resources online, or if I ever finish my never-ending fact sheet, I'll offer that for free on my site. Or maybe I'll put a link below once it's done. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Keep coming back for more, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.